Hello friends, Running Kimono here, still with a bit of a cold, and I'll give you a health update at the very end. We're going to dive right into some deals over at Walgreens this week. The first one we're going to talk about is curbside. So what this means is you order it through the app or online, and you have it for a pickup at your store. You drive up or you go to the pharmacy and they will hand you a bag with your stuff. Pretty easy to do. So we're going to pick up two of the following items that are two of these Nivea Cream Soft for $5.24. So that gives us a grand total of $10.48. So there's a whole host of these Nivea lotions, and there's a promotion code that works with it where you can get $5 off, which is really nice. Now, I'm going to let you guys know that it's only certain lotions, and this one is working for whatever reason. So in store, this guy is $7.79. It's the larger one. It's not the one for $1.19. And it's working with this promotion. And for a lot of you who are like, well, what are you doing in this store? I shot this last March, and I just have a mind for numbers, so I kind of remember prices of items in the store. So that's why I have it. But this is an older photo, but it's usually like $7 for this product, but it's like $5.24 with the curbside online. So anyhow, at checkout, you're going to add two of these to your cart, put them in your basket, and where it has the promotion codes and coupons, at this point you're going to type in the word Nivea, and $5 will come off your $10 purchase of Nivea products, which is like super, super cool. Okay, so looking at the receipt here, we have two of those creams for $10.48. Subtracting that promotion, I'm doing a curbside pickup, so that's free. Plus, I have to pay the tax. So we're looking at $5.81 you'll pay, and then you're going to get back $5.10 in Walgreens cash. So how wonderful is that? Just to answer a very quick question, if you want to use a little bit of Walgreens cash to pay down your balance so you're really not filling this one out of the pocket, absolutely go for it. So what a spectacular little deal. Okay, the next little thing we're going to blast through, guys, is digital coupons that you should be loading. And a lot of these showed up on Saturday. Some of them showed up today, including this $4 off of a Playtex Sport 32 count. So it is that much larger box. As you can see, this coupon is valid till the end of the month. So this is a very high value coupon. Load it. We know the prices of these lady products will be going up soon. So load this one. Just don't even think about it. Load it. Okay, we have an 8 off of 4 for the Secret, Old Spice, and Gillette, and we will be utilizing this one in a deal. As you can see, it's expiring on May the 1st, so you have up until Saturday to use it. So you definitely load this one, guys, because this is a high value P&G coupon, so I love to see these ones. And another digital that we have is the $5.49, and this is off of 2. There's a very similar one in the P&G as well, so anyhow, load it. Okay, so the last two that we have is this 3 off of 2. And if you remember in my Friday video, I'm like, I wonder if there's going to be like a $3 Colgate coupon. And then it magically appeared. So if you want to use this one in store, hey, that's kind of terrific. And then the last digital we're going to talk about is the 75 center, which we knew about, plus this 3 off of 2. So these two digital, load them. We have a special little deal this week of buy 3, get $5 back. So they're both great, and the 3 off of 2 is valid till June the 5th. So we have a long time to play with that one, so just load it. It is a great coupon. Okay, so looking off at this little bingo chart, and to answer a quick question, if you wanted to do, like, say, the Pantene, like to grab 3 Pantenes and then 3 Pampers and then try and get back 2 $5 register rewards, that's not how this works. Whatever's in this chart, you have to buy them, like, in one transaction. So 3 items in one transaction, 3 items in one transaction. You can't do 6 or 9 and hope that register reward keeps printing. It won't. Only one will print. Just to answer that quick question. So off of this bingo chart, there's a 2 for $11 of the deodorants. And we also have this 8 off of 4. So we're going to be grabbing 4 deodorant, the men's Gillette, for this little scenario. And I'm going to show you the deodorants here in the next slide. Okay, so these little guys this week are 2 for $11, and this is an old sales photo. I'll show you the tag here in a second a little closely. I have not been in this store again. I just have a lot of photos, as you could probably guess, in my phone. And this guy is from earlier in March. So whenever this new product came out, I went and took some official photos of it. So, but this is the one we're looking for, these blue caps of these men's Gillettes. Going over to your Ibotta account, there's $1.50 rebates. Always double, triple, quadruple check that is still there in your account, because you don't want to buy something and then boom, it's not there. You know, that could be really gross. And then we also have this 10-cent back. You guys know what I'm talking about. There's nothing worse than expecting $6 back and then boom, it vanished. So grabbing 4 of these, they're 2 for $11. That's 22 buckos. Subtracting that 8 off for digital, you're left with paying 14 out of pocket, getting back a $5 register reward. And then Ibotta has that $1.50 back that you can do up to 4. You can do it up to 5 times. So we're going for 4. So that's $6. $1.50 times 4 is 6. So it makes it $3 for the 4, or 75 cents each. Double, triple check your Ibotta, because this one always floats in and floats out. It's goofy. And if you wish to use a little bit of Walgreens cash to pay down your balance, absolutely go for it. Now, to answer another question, if you might have these other smaller coupons loaded, one of 2 things: you can either try it, and then whatever you're missing, if the $8 doesn't come off, you can call customer service for $3, or $2 and some change, or maybe the $8 will come off, or you can unclip these. But, I would call customer service, honestly, if the smaller coupon came off, and they'll probably give you the balance because you did, in fact, buy 4 of them. Okay, so the next little deal that we have is 3 for $10 Irish Springer soft soap, $5 in Walgreens cash when you buy 3. So what a great little deal that is. Okay, so we're going to load the 75 center and the 3 off of 2. So both of those. And now looking at the math for this, let's go with the Irish Spring. 3 of them for 10 buckos, subtracting $3.75 of digital manufacturers. If you want to get the ladies soft soap, you can also get that as well. You're left with paying $6.25, getting back 5 buckos in Walgreens cash. If you want to use your Walgreens cash to pay down your balance, go for it. It shakes it out to $1.25 for the 3, or 41 cents per body wash. Shut up. This is a really good deal, guys. Okay, and just to explain something, the soft soap, Irish Spring, the Gillette, and this deal, if you want to do them in store, these are cool. The Nivea is the curbside only, but these other 3 you can do in store. Or you could do them curbside too if you wish. Anyhow, we're going to grab 2 of these Colgates for the last deal, and this one is also an in-store deal if you want to do it that way. So 2 of them. And then we're going to utilize the 3 off of 2 digital coupon. So please make sure that you have this guy loaded for this little dealio. And now looking at the math for this, 2 tubes of the toothpaste is $7.98. And we're subtracting that 3 off of 2 digital. You're left with paying $4.98 out of pocket, getting back $5 in cash, making it free. If you wish to use your Walgreens cash to pay down your balance, that's totally cool, and it'll just reappear at the bottom of your receipt. Okay, guys, just to give you a quick update, I made a video yesterday saying I'm not feeling very good. I don't think I was very clear in that video. I did get the Johnson & Johnson vaccine, and I am fully vaccinated. I didn't get it last week. I got it in the middle of March, so that's why this is all confusing and perplexing. Perhaps I'm one of these people that get the vaccine and then months later get sick. I don't know. Today, very tired, so that's why this video is coming a little later, and I'm still waiting on my results. And I live super rural, so they don't have the rapid, you just show up and you get your results. So I'm just waiting on that, and whenever I find out, we'll see. But I'm actually feeling like I have a little bit of energy tonight. As always, thanks for watching, and thank you so much for all your thoughts and prayers and very kind comments. I appreciate it, and you guys, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.